Yeah. It's creamy, and I can feel the vanilla and the mint flavor. First, it's melting in your mouth, then you have chocolate chips to munch on. This is very yummy, very tasty. Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabby GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make mint and chocolate ice cream. It's going to be fast, but trust me, it will be very delicious. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear viewer, just give me 1 of your minutes to thank some people who have really helped this channel from the beginning till now. Chef David of Ghana, Grace Emisa, I don't know you, but have been very supportive, always watching, commenting, sharing. Sister Winifred of UK and your family, Sister Mabel of Kumasi, Mrs. Cynthia Obel, Chef Rita, former colleagues in Movenpick, current colleagues in Mekio, Bahrain, Beck, the one who is taking the video now. He has been very supportive. All what he's doing is pro bono. A lot of people has helped. My family, Princess Nana Kuya Belinda, I really like your support. Sister Laura, Sister Lariba Adams, Chef Tahil, Mr. Z of Saudi Arabia. I cannot mention everybody's name, but please, I really like all what you're doing. Nanaba of Nanaba's Kitchen, area of Unique Christian Tabernacle, Isaac Aoche, Genius, Alfred, Sister Ellen, Big Joe, Brad Steve, I love you all. Please, if it doesn't hear your name, it doesn't mean I don't recognize you or I don't cherish what you're doing. I respect you a lot. Continue to support this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Let's go to the ingredients we have for our ice cream. Whipping cream, condensed milk, salt, green color, vanilla extract, mint water, and chocolate chips. First, we will take 2 cups of whipping cream, Yalla. I put the machine on first speed. Alright, so I'll add 200 ml of condensed milk. Perfect. So I will add into our mixture because our cream is getting thicker now. Condensed milk and the cream has really mixed well. So just a pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, one teaspoon, and half, 1.5. Then I will add 2 teaspoons of mint water. One, 2. Add 2 teaspoons of green color because this is mint and chocolate, so we have to have the green color, but it's optional. If you don't want to add the green color, it's 100% up to you. Dear friend, I'm sure now the consistency is okay. I like the color of it, but the best way to check if your consistency of the ice cream is okay is to turn it over your head. If nothing falls on your head, then it's okay. If it falls on you, just go take shower and make new mixture. No, our mixture did not fall on my head, so we are sure of the consistency of it. So now I'll add 200 grams of chocolate chips. I will mix it nicely. Wow, our ice cream is going to be delicious. So from now I will start putting them in the ice cream bowls. Dear friend, already I put the ice cream bowls in the freezer so that we will not delay the freezing process. And from here I will put it in the freezer for minimum of 6 hours. But the best is to put in the freezer overnight. Don't delay it, you just put inside the freezer. The 6 hours is up, so let's take one. Already I have my ice cream glass in the freezer. Let's see how it looks now. As I said, overnight will be the best option, but you can see it's still nice frozen. Wow, I like it. I like the color with the chocolate chips inside. Let me add one more scoop to it. Lovely. So since this is mint ice cream, let me just put, oh lovely, put this mint on it as a garnish. Yeah, I really like it. And let me have a taste of it. Beautiful. It's creamy and I can feel the vanilla and the mint flavor. First, it's melting in your mouth, then you have chocolate chips to munch on. This is very yummy, very tasty, and I like the color. Please do try this at home, and I know you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu. Wow, very nice.